So welcome back to my channel. This is my Paddy's Day look, or St. Patrick's Day look of this year. Classic green glitter, orange, sort of a white, if that makes sense. So we're going for like the colours of the Irish flag. Just a typical sort of look, quite dramatic. I went for like a chunkier glitter. So you can actually kind of see through the glitter. It's not super opaque, which I wanted over my eye. So if you think that's a bit weird, I did want that to happen. Because I wanted to still be able to see some of the colours underneath and my actual eyelid underneath as well. I didn't want to be too chunky over top of my eye. So if you want to see how to get this look for Paddy's Day, then keep on watching. To start off this look, I'm going to prime my eye with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And as per usual, I'm just going to prime my lid all the way up to my brow and along my lower lash line. The first colour that I'm going to apply to my eye is the Makeup Geek eyeshadow in Preppy. I'm using this on a Inglot 4SS brush. Or is it the 6SS brush? It's the smaller of the huge blending brushes. And I'm just buffing that into my crease just as my transition shade. This is like a brown but with a slight green yellow undertone to it, so it's really nice for this look. As a base on the lid, I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Rocky Mountain Green. I've used this a lot, I know. But it's great as a base, so I'm just applying that all over my lid. I'm just using my finger to smooth that out, so when the eyeshadows go on, they apply nice and smooth and they come out a little bit more intense. On the inner half of the lid, I'm going to take Makeup Geek's eyeshadow in Appletini on a little flat brush, and I'm just patting that on to the inner, say the inner half, yeah, of the eyelid. Next, I'm taking Inglot's eyeshadow in AMC 58, which is like a beautiful grass green. And on the same brush, just flipped it over to the other side. I'm just applying that to the outer half of the eyelid. And right here, I'm just blending where those colours meet. So just wiggling my brush over between the two shades, and it should blend in. You may have to layer it up a little bit, but it will blend eventually. Then I'm going in with Inglot's eyeshadow in Matte 340, which is that beautiful, really deep bottle green. And again, I've used this a lot recently, but I love this shade. And I'm just applying that to the outer corner of my eye and bringing it into the crease. This will really make the look more dramatic. Then I'm going back in with my Inglot fluffy brush and taking a little bit more of the Preppy shade from Makeup Geek and using that to blend out the edge of that dark green. On the lid, I'm going to apply some Inglot Duraline, which is their mixing medium. I'm just using a little flat brush and I'm just patting that over the eyeshadow because I don't want to disturb the shades of the eyeshadow and where they are. I just want to apply this as a sticky base. Then I'm taking Blush Sparkles Glitter in Ivy Hex. I have written there that it's not really eye safe because I don't think it is. It's quite chunky. I didn't have any issues with it, but you know, take your own risk when using it. I found it easy enough to remove as well without getting it in my eye. I just used a cotton bud just to lift the glitter off my eye before I went in and properly removed my makeup. But this is quite chunky and I'm just patting that on. I've already done a little bit of orange on this eye, but I wanted to conceal before I continued any further, just so I have something to blend down onto.
Then I'm taking Inglot's eyeshadow in Matte 335, which is this beautiful matte burnt orange. And on a really, really small brush, I'm taking that along my lower lash line, as close as I can get to my lashes. And then on a Real Techniques base shadow brush, I'm taking that same shade and really blending it really far down as you feel comfortable with. Over top of that, I'm taking Inglot's eyeshadow in Shine 15, which is an orange, but it has this really beautiful gold shimmer going through it. And I'm just layering that on top for a bit of texture. I'm not blending this down as far though. For my brow highlight, I'm going to take MAC's eyeshadow in Mylar, which is a satin cream that's a little bit lighter than my skin for once. And I'm going to apply that to my brow bone and blending it down to the eyeshadow. As an inner corner highlight, I'm going to take MAC's Pigment in Vanilla, which is a beautiful like opal pinky gold shimmer. So it goes really well with this look. On my waterline, I'm taking Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Mars, which is a very, very, very dark emerald green. So it kind of works like a black, but not as harsh as black, and it ties in a little bit better with the greens on the eyes. For my liner, I'm going to use old trusty Inglot Gel Liner in 77. And I'm using this on a MAC 210 brush, and I'm just lining my upper lash line and giving it a little wing. It's kind of hard to line with those with the glitter on, so just take your time and go really, really slowly with it. For mascara, I'm going to use the MAC Hot and Naughty mascara on my upper lashes and my lower lashes. As bronzer, I'm going to use my Benefit Dallas bronzer, which is a little bit warmer as a contour for me, but it goes really, really well with the orange on the eyes. I'm just using that to contour my cheeks. And also from Benefit, I'm going to use Coralista blush. Again, has a nice peachy orangey undertone, so it ties in quite well with the eyes. For a highlight, I'm going to use the Catrice High Glow Mineral Highlighting Powder in Light Fusion. It's the only shade that they do now. They used to have more, but they only have one now. And I'm just using this on the tops of my cheeks, just as a little bit of a highlight. For the lips, I'm going to use MAC's Lip Pencil in Whirl. Mine is a little teeny weeny baby now because I use it all the time. And I'm just using this to line my lips, just to give it a little bit of definition. And as my lipstick, I'm taking the MAC Liptensity lipstick in Clouds in My Coffee, which is a really nice nude brown, but it's not too brown on my skin. And to finish off the look, I'm popping on a pair of lashes. These ones are just from Primark and they're the Double Trouble, so they're double layered. Quite dramatic, but I feel like the look needed these. And that's your finished look.
Alrighty guys, so that's the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it. It's quite a fun one. I love doing a Paddy's Day look. I love green eyeshadow anyway, so I love doing Paddy's Day looks. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Full list of products will be linked down below as well, so you can see that, and my Instagram and Facebook and all will be linked down below if you want to go give me a little follow. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below as to what you think of the look. And also hit subscribe as well. Follow me on here so you can see what sort of videos I'm posting. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!